Special Report.
Thanks for watching this special report from Channel 3000. As part of our commitment to covering the virus in a fact-based way, we wanted to put today's headlines all in one place so you can get caught up. Dane County is experiencing a significant increase in the number of medical emergencies related to alcohol overconsumption and substance abuse in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. According to new data from the emergency management officials, between February 1st and May 10th, there was a 38% increase in ambulance calls for substance abuse emergencies. There was a total of 666 EMS calls for alcohol or substance abuse in that time frame, up from 483 during the same time span 1 year ago. If you are struggling, help is available. Dane County funds a recovery coach program through Safe Communities. You can reach out to them on a 24/7 hotline. That number is 608-228-1278. Dane County health officials are announcing 3 new deaths related to coronavirus. There are now 517 confirmed cases in Dane County, an increase of 18 since yesterday morning. Public Health Madison Dane County says the jump in cases is due to a cluster at a long-term care facility. Across Wisconsin, there are more than 11,000 confirmed cases and 437 deaths. The Dane County Sheriff's Office says 37 inmates have now tested positive for COVID-19. That's up from 29 confirmed cases 1 week ago. 6 of the inmates were released from custody, 6 recovered, and 25 of them are still in medical isolation. Contact tracing found 1 inmate had intentionally concealed symptoms to avoid detection. This caused 32 inmates to test positive. Officials say the majority of people who tested positive are asymptomatic or only show minor symptoms. Across the U.S., there are now more than 1.4 million confirmed cases and more than 85,000 deaths. Still, states are continuing to ease restrictions. Florida restaurants, retailers, and salons in the hard-hit Broward and Miami-Dade counties will be able to reopen Monday with strict guidelines. In New Jersey, which has more than 140,000 infections, beaches will reopen in time for the Memorial Day weekend.
It's all about what the consumer feels is safe for them.
I'm okay with the implementing of opening beaches. I just want it done in a safe manner.
New York State, which has 20% of all U.S. cases, has extended its stay-at-home order until June 13th. The Trump administration is threatening to veto a $3 trillion relief package the Democratic-led House is expected to pass today. House Democrats say state and local governments and millions of Americans can't afford to wait. Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says the bill will not pass the Senate, but he now agrees another stimulus package is likely needed. The State Department of Workforce Development is expanding call center hours. Those will now be from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., an addition of 2 hours per day. They're also contacting outside vendors to assist with processing unemployment benefit calls, and they're recruiting employees to fill more than 350 positions. The department is tackling an enormous workload during the pandemic. From March 15th to May 9th, DWD received more than 518,000 unemployment applications and more than 1.8 million weekly claims. More than 36 million Americans have filed for unemployment since the economic crisis began. Experts say job losses are hitting women particularly hard, especially women of color. The pandemic cost 15.5% of women to their jobs in April, compared with 13% of men. Experts say that's because many women work in areas hit hard by the crisis: leisure and hospitality, education and health services, and retail. The impact is greatest for women of color. A National Women's Law Center analysis finds roughly 1 in 6 black women and 1 in 5 Latino women are now unemployed. Thanks for watching this special report from Channel 3000.